Hello, this is Bino. Today I wanted to talk about and use a little bit this Haas knee ascender. Lately we've only done a foot ascender, but a combination of both and just kind of how we use the Haas knee ascender. Alright, so last video we went over in detail how to do a base anchor. Today I'm just going to do a real quick base anchor using something different, a quick link. I got it from Petzl and it's got a 25 kilonewton rating. So just go around the tree real quick so I can choke it. Just a simple choke. So you'll put the quick link on. You're going to have the spine of the quick link toward the trunk. Just takes a little bit of time with this because you have to screw it in. Not as quick as the quickie. And I'm just going to use a terminal end. Okay, so once I got that set, I'm going to go to the opposite end and then I'm going to pull it tight. Okay. All right, there you go. All right, so so far we've only been using the foot ascender, so you kind of have to use the sit and stand method. But today we're going to use the Haas, the knee ascender. There's a few different types of knee ascenders. I don't really know the names, but the way we set this one up, well, what about the Haas is that it has a bungee cord, so it really pulls your knee ascender up on every step you take. Having this with a foot ascender, it's almost like walking up a ladder. So the way to set this one up, it has a foot strap. So you put your foot strap on, and then you tighten it up. Okay. Now once you get that tight, I'm gonna put this on the side real quick so I can connect my carabiner here to my post. Now that I got my climbing system connected to me, now I'm gonna connect the Haas to the middle becket of the hitch climber pulley. Now after I have that one connected, I'm gonna get my chesty here and connect it to the center becket of the hitch climber pulley. So I connect both to the center becket. And now I'm ready to start the climb. Okay, so now that I have it connected, the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to open up my knee ascender, and I have it ready. And I like to start off with my foot to get me a couple feet off the ground before I connect the knee ascender. So I'll throw my foot ascender in first, take a couple of steps. Okay, now that I took a couple of steps, I'm off the ground. I'll attach my knee ascender, and now I'll start walking up the tree. Yeah, so normally if I'm body thrusting, dang, I'm pretty heavy, so if I'm body thrusting, it's going to take me a while to do this. Oops. So when I get close to the trunk, I'll put my toes close to the tree and keep myself in balance. So once I hit the top, I'm gonna take this off. Now all I have to do is rest, undo my foot ascender, and then undo my knee ascender. And now you're already ready to work. You don't have to disconnect or change anything. And if I was going to work the tree, undo my chesty, and now I can go work if I wanted to. All right. Okay, Noah. So in a minute I'll have you connect, but I want to show them the double sling rope wrench you got. This tether has a double eye, and it's actually pretty nice. It works well with this double becket pulley. So before, what they had is just a tether with one eye. This is nice because it fits in the center, and then you have the wide becket that you can connect your foot or your knee ascender and your chest ascender. Okay, Noah, why don't you go ahead and get connected? So to your center post, and then get your chesty connected. So before you get your foot off the ground, you want to make sure that your line's kind of straight so you don't swing around. So look up and kind of get it to where your line's straight. Get closer to the tree. There you go. You got your foot ascender on. Go a couple of feet up. Okay, now that's probably good. Now you could probably connect your knee ascender. Cool. Now, no more stand instead of leaning. There you go. And now you're kind of, you might even use your toes on the trunk a little to keep a straight line. And you're almost just like walking up a ladder. There you go. How is that feeling? Cool. So you want to undo your knee ascender first. So as you're bending your knee, you unlock it and then disconnect. See how it's unlocked? Now you can disconnect. There you go. Lock it. There you go. And now your foot ascender. Now you take your chesty off and then you can just you know, go to work if you needed to. All right. So today we just went over ascending this tree with a knee ascender and a foot ascender. I mean, this is where SRS is really awesome, because you could throw your line way high up in the tree, and especially if it's a free hang, you connect your knee ascender and your foot ascender, and you basically walk up like a ladder. Once you get to the top, you can put your knee ascender away, disconnect your foot ascender, your chest harness, and then go to work. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. All right, take care.